Which version of Python do I have installed? I have to run a Python script on a Windows server. How can I know which version of Python I have, and does it even really matter? I was thinking of updating to the latest version of Python.
This URL version may also work, introduced in version 2.5.
In a Python IDE, just copy and paste in the following code and run it. The version will come up in the output area.
Python 2.5 plus. Python 2.4.
At a command prompt type, or if you have PyF.
If you want to see more, please visit our